If you've ever wondered why some people always seem to have money, no matter their income, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down 20 frugal living tips that help you always have money, reduce stress, and actually live better with less. And no, this is not about extreme penny pinching, living miserably, or cutting out everything fun. Frugality isn't about being cheap. It's about being intentional. It's about telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Whether you're living paycheck to paycheck, trying to build savings, or just tired of feeling broke despite earning more, these habits can completely change your financial life. So grab a coffee, settle in, and let's build a life where money works for you, not the other way around. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us and remember to comment and share. Tip number 1, pay yourself first. The number one frugal habit of people who always have money is simple: they pay themselves first. Before bills, before shopping, before entertainment, money goes into savings automatically. Even if it's just 5% or 10%, the habit matters more than the amount. When saving becomes automatic, you stop relying on willpower. You start building wealth quietly and consistently. Tip number 2, track every dollar. You can't fix what you don't measure. Tracking expenses doesn't mean obsessing, it means awareness. Most people discover they're bleeding money in small, invisible ways: subscriptions, impulse buys, convenience spending. Once you see it, you can control it. Tip number 3, live below your means, on purpose. People who always have money don't upgrade their lifestyle every time their income increases. They keep expenses low and let the gap between income and spending grow. That gap is freedom. Tip number 4, master the 24-hour rule. If it's not a necessity, wait 24 hours before buying. Most impulse purchases lose their emotional pull with time. Delayed gratification is a superpower. Tip number 5, kill bad debt first. High interest debt is the opposite of frugal living. Credit cards, payday loans, and consumer debt drain future income. Eliminating them gives you an instant raise. Tip number 6, cook at home, smartly. You don't need gourmet meals. You need repeatable, simple, affordable meals. Meal planning saves money, time, and mental energy. Eating out occasionally becomes a treat, not a habit. Tip number 7, embrace used over new. Cars, furniture, electronics, many lose value the moment you buy them. Buying used saves thousands without sacrificing quality. Wealthy people understand appreciation. Tip number 8, cut subscriptions aggressively. Subscriptions are silent budget killers. If you don't use it weekly, cancel it. You can always resubscribe later. Tip number 9, build a low-cost lifestyle you love. Frugality works when it aligns with your values. Free hobbies, simple pleasures, and meaningful experiences beat expensive distractions. Tip number 10, shop with a list, always. Whether groceries or online shopping, lists prevent emotional spending. No list means no purchase. Tip number 11, negotiate everything. Internet, insurance, phone bills, most are negotiable. One phone call can save hundreds per year. Tip number 12, automate bills and savings. Automation removes friction. Late fees disappear. Savings grow quietly. Consistency beats motivation. Tip number 13, buy quality, once. Cheap often becomes expensive. High quality essentials last longer and cost less over time. Tip number 14, avoid lifestyle comparison. Comparison is the fastest way to overspend. Most people you compare yourself to are in debt. Focus on your own goals. Tip number 15, Use cashback and rewards strategically. When considering how to maximize cashback and rewards, it's essential to keep your spending in check, ensuring that every purchase aligns with your financial goals. By utilizing cashback and rewards strategically, you can enhance your savings without falling into the trap of impulsive spending. Focus on your needs and prioritize purchases that genuinely benefit your budget, allowing rewards to amplify your financial strategy. Stay disciplined to truly reap the advantages. Tip number 16. Learn basic DIY skill. Learning basic DIY skills empowers you to tackle simple repairs, which can save you thousands of dollars over your lifetime. YouTube is an invaluable resource for mastering these skills. By embracing DIY practices, you not only become more self-sufficient but also gain the confidence to tackle a variety of projects around your home. Remember, the more you learn, the more money you save, making every effort worthwhile in the long run. Tip number 17. Set clear financial goals. Frugality without direction feels restrictive. Goals give your sacrifices meaning. Tip number 18. Maintain an emergency fund. Emergencies aren't emergencies when you're prepared. This is how frugal people avoid debt. Tip number 19. Say no, comfortably. You don't owe anyone financial explanations. Saying no protects your future. Tip number 20. See frugality as freedom. Frugality empowers you, giving you the ability to choose how you spend your resources wisely, rather than feeling bound by scarcity. Control over your finances grants you the freedom to pursue your true passions. Embracing frugality transforms your perspective, revealing that financial discipline opens up new opportunities, rather than confining you. When viewed through this lens, each dollar becomes a stepping stone towards a more fulfilling life, fostering creativity and intentionally in all aspects of living. Frugality empowers us to redefine happiness through simplicity, allowing us to prioritize experiences over possessions. By embracing this approach, we can find joy in small moments. To make a lasting change in your financial life, take action now by adopting even a few new habits. If you found value in this discussion, please like, subscribe, and share with those who may benefit from it. Thanks for watching. Living better with less is not just achievable, it's a journey that begins with a single step. As you reflect on these insights, remember that every habit you adopt brings you closer to lasting happiness and financial freedom. Start today, and watch your life transform.